Hello friends, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. As you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can add different supplier products to cart on Taobao, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. So what you need to do is to open up your Taobao, just like what you see right here. So let's say, for instance, we want to add about 3 to 4 supplier product to cart and checkout at a go. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the product link. Okay, so I'm going to click on this product link right here. Boom. So it's open up this page. So the next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then it's open up this page. So the next step to take is to click on here. So it takes you to this particular page whereby you need to pick color and the sizes. Let's, for instance, we need this particular color of XL. We need it in 3 pieces like this. So what you need to do first is that you need to click on here first. This means that you have selected this color of this product. So for you to know the size you want, it's either you select S or M or L or XL. So you have to select one of the sizes. So let's, for instance, we need M of this color. How many do you need? Then you have to come here and tell the number, quantity you need. You have to select M. So, and we have to click on here, and we make sure we indicate the number that we need. So let's, this simply means that we need M of this type of the 2 quantity. So once you select that, we have to click on here now to add the product to cart. Boom. So this one has been added successful to cart. So let's take a look on how we can add additional or another seller product to cart on Taobao. So we can scroll down. This time around, let's say, for instance, we want to add this slippers seller to cart. So we have to click on the product link. You have to click on here. You click on the product name. Then it open up this page. So at this point here, the next thing you need to do is to click on here. Now it open up this page. So at this point here, you can see there are different product sizes, color, things like that on this page. So what you need to do right here is that, let's, for instance, we need black of this product. So you have to select black. So when you select black, then you have to define the size you need. So we need black of this product size 40. So you have to select 40. Then having selected the size you need, then you have to determine how many quantity right here. So you have to, let's say this one here, we need 2 quantity. So you can see we have added 2 quantity. Then once you're satisfied with the sizes, you click on here to add the product to cart. Boom. So the product has been added to cart successfully. Let's, for instance, we need pink color. So we have to go back to cart. We click on here. And we have to select pink. So this is pink with more features. So we select pink. Then what size of pink do we need? So we can determine to use, to buy pink size 38. So when we select size 38, you have to determine how many quantity you need. You have to define it right here. So let's say we need 3 of pink. So once you select, and then you need to click on here to add a product to cart. Boom. So the product has been added to cart. If we need another color, let's say we need this white right here. So what you need to do is to click on here. And then we have to look for white color. So this is white. Then we have to determine the size that we need. So we can decide to buy size 36 for white. Then how many quantity? We have to determine that from this point here. So this quantity here, we can make this one about 5. Once you're satisfied, you have to click on here to add the product to cart. Boom. So the product has been added to cart successfully. So for you to visit your cart, all you have to do is to click on the top right here. Then it takes you to your cart right here. So you can see we have white color 5 quantity, we have pink color 3 quantity, we have black 2 quantity, which is you can see the supplier name right here. So we can scroll down and see another product that we had to cart. So this is another one that we had to cart. This one here is 2 quantity, this one here is 3 quantity, and while this one here is 2 quantity. Now for us to buy all these products from cart, you just have to tap on the top right here. So when you tap on that, it's going to select all the products and you click on checkout to make payment. It's as simple as that. So this is how you can add product to cart from different supplier, different sizes, different color, and the likes on Taobao step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. If you want to contact me for business consultation about importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Here's the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.